Okay, now the next question again. Why did you leave Popexo? We miss you. Are you and Cherry still best friends? What do you do? Hi guys, I'm Komal. Welcome back to my channel. Now obviously you must have understood by the title of the video, this is a Q&A video. I was actually supposed to shoot this video after shooting a few other videos, but then I thought, you know what, let me just sit down and film this already because I know you guys have a lot of questions and you deserve to know all the answers because whatever I am today, it's because of you guys. So yeah, I posted a picture on my Instagram and asked you guys to ask me whatever you'd like to, and I received over 850 comments. Oh my god, thank you so much for sending in so many questions. I'm going to try and answer as much as I can. A lot of those questions are similar to the other questions on that thread, so I'm not going to duplicate, but so first of all, I'm going to address to all the Popexo questions. There are a bunch of questions related to Popexo. Why did you leave Popexo? Are you and Cherry still friends? Who do you like more, Shraddha, Cherry or Upalana? Do you still shoot with them? Why did you leave? Why did you leave? Why did you leave? Oh my god, it's crazy. So you know how they say, as long as you work for someone else, your creativity will always be restricted, and if you want your creative juices to flow, you need to work for yourself. And that's what I'm doing right now. I worked there for 1.5 years. I had a heck of a time. It was so much fun. I made so many videos. I learned so much. So I'm going to cherish all those memories all my life, and I can't thank Popexo enough for making me Komal from Popexo. So yeah, now it's just Komal, and I'd like to keep it that way. And you guys, I know you miss me there at Popexo, but you know where to find me now. This is my own channel, and hopefully I'll try and entertain you as much as I did earlier. Okay, now the next question, are you and Cherry still best friends? Okay, now that's complicated. Obviously, Cherry and I used to meet every day, we used to eat together, we used to shoot like 4 to 5 videos a day, which would consume like 12 hours or 14 hours, and it was crazy. And obviously, I mean, if you're spending so much time with one person, you get used to them, you get used to their company, and yeah, that's about it. That's what happened. So we were always there for each other as long as we worked together. But as soon as I left Popexo, we kind of lost touch, and that's completely fine. We're both adults, we're both mature people move on, and it doesn't really affect our lives so much. I don't really feel the void, and neither does she. So yeah, and I wish her all the luck. Good luck, Cherry, with whatever you do. The next question is, who do you like better, Cherry, Shraddha or Upalana? Okay, now as a person, I think that all of them are completely different people, and they're really nice people, obviously, but I think Upalana is extremely talented. And I think Shraddha is really talented. She knows a lot about beauty, and Cherry is great with her hair stuff. What do you do on days when you don't feel like doing any work? How do you get out of those days? Okay, hi Ashika. What do I do on those days when I don't feel like doing any work? I actually just sit on my bed and just watch movies or series all day long. Generally, I just binge watch on something on Netflix. That's what I do. And oh my god, how could I forget YouTube? YouTube all day, YouTube all day. There are so many YouTubers, and there's so much that you can, you know, like watch on YouTube. It's crazy, and I can watch YouTube all day without getting bored. Yeah, so YouTube and Netflix. Do you look forward to going into Bollywood anytime in the future? Okay. I don't know. No. Right now, my focus is only my YouTube and my Instagram, and I'd like to stay focused for now and do one thing at a time. What motivated you to be a blogger, and give some advice related to blogging? Okay, blogging for me started very abruptly. I flunked college. I had like about 3 backlogs. Yes. And I never thought I'd start blogging. Fashion, though, was always at the back of my head, but I never really had the audacity to pick it up as a profession because at that time I thought I am too mediocre to do something that unconventional, and obviously I was wrong. But in that phase of my life when I had nothing else to lose, I thought, you know what, let me just take this risk as well, because ab isse bura kya hoga. So I started fashion blogging, and within like 4 to 5 months, from like 500 followers, I jumped to 30k to 50k followers, which was crazy. So many of you started loving me, started commenting on my pictures, and that's how it started for me. But a little advice to all you people out there, if you want to start blogging, my only tip will be to research about it, to study a lot about it, follow a lot of bloggers, and then take that decision. Don't just decide anything in the heat of the moment. Research is the key. So study a lot about it, and then if you think you can pull it off, go ahead. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have a younger brother. He goes to college right now. I think, yeah, he's in second year. Okay, now Komal.fc asks, you're perfect the way you are, and my question is, how do you feel to receive so much love and appreciation? Okay, first of all, thank you so much for making a fan club. For making my fan club. You guys are wonderful. I think more than 2 or 3 fan clubs that run by my name, and oh my god, it's so overwhelming. You guys are the sweetest. Okay, which camera or photo editor do you use? Okay, I don't have a camera. Yes, I don't. I'm saving for one right now. I redid my entire room. I bought all the decor stuff, and then it was a lot of expense. I also bought like a few lights and like mics and other stuff, but I still need to buy a camera. So I'm just saving a little bit more for the camera so I can buy a good one. And I think I'm going to buy a new one in January. For now, I just borrow my friend's camera and shoot it for you guys. That's how it's happening, but that's okay. Thank you so much, Divyansh, for letting me use your camera. Okay. Your favorite makeup, clothing and accessories brand? Okay, I don't have a favorite brand, but I love using Maybelline for makeup because it's super affordable and it's a super wide range. So Maybelline for makeup. Clothing, I mostly shop from H&M or Sarojini. I'll be very honest and tell you guys that I haven't really been to Sarojini in the longest time. I've only been going to H&M. That's just because, you know, like after shooting so much and working all day, I don't feel like going to Sarojini. It's a hustle. So I just go to H&M, pick up like a few basic things, and that's it. But yeah, I need to go to Sarojini very soon because right now I'm sort of broke. So I think Sarojini will work well. Accessories brand, Forever 21 and H&M. And for silver jewelry, Janpat is the best. Okay, your current favorite singer and song? I don't have a favorite singer, but song currently what's topping on my playlist is Paris and Havana. What did you want to become as a child? Now this is a very funny story. I actually wanted to become a teacher. And I think a lot of kids wanted to become teachers when they were little. Let me know in the comment section below if you also wanted to become a teacher. I did. So every day I would just take my mom's dupatta, you know, wear her specs and like take a ruler on my left hand and a pen's cap on my right hand, which would be my chalk, and make the door of my room my blackboard. It was really funny. And I would also force my brother to become my student and scold him all day. I don't know like what kicks I would get out of it, but yeah, teacher for the longest time. What's your diet that keeps you so fit? Do you exercise regularly? Do you do yoga? I used to exercise, not anymore, and I regret it. I need to get back to exercising and working out. It's a terrible habit to not work out, guys. Your body needs to exercise, needs some exercise on a daily basis. So I urge you to do it if you don't. But my diet, I try and avoid junk as much as I can, even though I fail at it terribly a lot of times. But you know, like if you wanna have a healthy body, I would only suggest you to have a very healthy lifestyle. Like wake up on time, sleep on time, take your breakfast on time, have your lunch on time, never have your dinner after like 8 p.m. And if you get like huge hunger spans after 8 p.m, just have something liquid like milk or something. Your holy grail makeup products and love your personality. Thank you so much, Somika. That's very sweet of you. My holy grail makeup products. Okay, I never leave my home without doing my brows. Brows are the most important. Then my lipstick. So yeah, I think brows and lipstick, I can still give up on my base every day. I don't care, but not my brows and lipstick. So I think it would be my brow maker and my brow definer, sorry. my brow definer, and my lipstick. How do you want the bond between you and us to be through your new channel? Also, what do you think? Also, how do you think you will stand out amongst the other channels? Of course, I want the bond to be more real and personal. I want it to be more relatable. These videos are going to be very different because I'm not sitting here with a script. This is my own room. This is not a set. I'm sitting very casually in front of one camera, spilling my heart out. So yeah, that's how different it is. Also, how do you think you will stand out amongst the other channels? I don't know. I mean, I just do things that I like and do things that you guys would like, that I think you guys would like, and that's what keeps me going. I am not overly competitive. I like having a healthy competition, and yeah, that's it. What's your workout routine? Also, do high-waist jeans look good on short girls? Right now I don't have a workout routine, but I would want to get back to working out. So as soon as I do, I'll let you guys know, and then you can know my routine as well. Also, do high-waist jeans look good on short girls? Of course they do. I'm short and I wear high-waisted stuff all the time. So if you have a petite body structure, try and wear high-waisted stuff, because then it basically gives an illusion of having longer legs. And yeah, high-waisted for the win. How do you deal with hate? Actually, I don't. I just avoid it. Critical comments are more than welcome on my feed. I love reading what you guys like, what you guys don't like, but something that's not welcome are personal comments. So I generally just avoid hate and report the user, block the user, or just let it be there and not get affected. Are you in a relationship? I think it's pretty much out there. Everybody knows. It's all over my Instagram. Yes, I am. So that's it for this video. I tried and answer as much as I could, and I know I did miss out on quite a few questions, but I didn't want this video to be super long. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'm going to be putting up another video this week. It's a super fun video, so come back for it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and don't forget to hit the bell button so you get notified every time I upload a video. And thank you so much for the love again. Oh my god, we're almost there on 100k. It's unbelievable. Just 2 videos down, and dude, 100k. Wow, you guys are the best. A big virtual hug to all of you. Yeah, I'll see you very soon. Bye.